Welcome to my new video lecture on Python programming, and in this video we are going to see about the Python fundamentals. The first topic today we are going to discuss is variables and data types. It's about variables and data types of Python. So the topic we are going to discuss in today's video are what is a variable and why we are using variables and valid variable names, and finally we are going to build a small project based on variables and data types. So a variable, what is a variable? A variable, just think of a variable as a label on a container that holds some data. So you create a variable by giving it a name and putting a value inside. So in Python it's look like this. Name is a variable which holds Alex. So it holds a text which is also called as a string. And age is a variable which holds a whole number which is also called as an integer. And height is a variable which holds a decimal number which is known as float. And is underscore student is also a variable which holds a true or false value which is termed as a Boolean type. So you can check a variable type using type of function. So just print type of that particular variable which returns the type of that particular class. So if you are giving a print type of name, then it returns class of string. So this is a class which belongs to string data type. So Python, so here in Python, it lets you to store information so your program can remember it and use it later, just like a player's score or your name, like that. So Python has some rules for naming variables. So it must start with a letter or underscore, and it can contain letters, numbers and underscores, and it cannot start with a number, and it cannot use Python's built-in keywords like if, while, class, etc. So for example, so user underscore name is a variable which is a valid variable, and underscore user2 is equal to Ria, which is also a valid variable. So here second underscore user, which starts, since it starts with a number, it is not a valid variable, it is an invalid variable. So let me build a small project. We'll write a simple program that asks you for your name, age and favorite hobby, then print a fun personalized message. So let me start. So I'm going to get the name from the user. Yes, next I'm going to get the age of the user. Next I'm getting the hobby of the user. So here this input function waits for you to type something and press enter. Whatever you type gets saved in that particular variable. Now I am going to print a personalized message using the information collected. So just print off F . I'm just printing the message using the information collected. So this print functions shows a message on the screen, and this f function, f double quotes, which means you can include variables inside the message for personalization. So I'm going to run the code. So it will ask for a name, so I'm giving a name. It will ask for age, I'm giving an age. So my favorite hobby is football. So it will display a message, hey Alex, so you are 18 years old and love football. That's awesome. So this is a simple project we have made using variables and using the concept of variables and data types. So thank you for watching the video. So the next fundamental concept will be discussed in the next video. Thank you.